I said, like, you know what Praecipe is? I know what Praecipe is. Do you think this clerk, who's like 18-year-old clerk girl, you think she knows what a Praecipe is? I said, look, she's got like a box for motions. She's got a box for orders. She got a box for proposed orders. But she's like, sir, I don't know what to do with this Praecipe. She was telling you the truth. She has no freaking clue. I said, so if you want to operate in their world, you got to speak their language. You can't outthink them because Praecipe, like say, is an older word. It's just a fancier word. I said, but why don't you just say you want to propose an order or you want to place an order before the court? Why do you have to go and talk all fancy? You know, keep it simple.
That's what Praecipe means? Awesome.
It's like an order, right? But like I said to them, I said, why do you have to talk all uppity, like you think you know something? Why can't you just tone it down so everybody knows what it's? Even a 16-year-old, 18-year-old clerk there, she'll know what you're saying. Everybody understand. Really simple. One syllable, two syllable words. You using a three-syllable word, back down. Get it back down to two syllables. You're overthinking it. You're outguessing it. Just calm it down. You know, just relax a little bit. I said, when you try to use this old English, fancy English stuff that you read from, like, whatever, 1502, you know what, you're overdoing it. You know, you're not impressing anybody. You know, obviously, and honestly, you're probably really pissing them off.
And we were guilty of that for a while, weren't we, Karl?
Oh, don't include me in we. There's no me in the wife. There's no me in we, because like I said, see, because Praecipe, I'm trying to think of another way. It's like a demur, like Praecipe. It's just like saying, you're basically just saying that you want the guy who did you wrong to appear and show why an act or thing should not be done against him, like why he should not go to jail, or why should he not have to pay this, or why he shouldn't have to do it. And it just tells the clerk of the court to issue an order, and specifically tell him to appear and answer why something should or should not be done to him. I said, why don't you just give him a notice? Just say, look, dude, you stepped on my toes. This is the bill. See Exhibit A, the hospital bill. Here's the automated statement of the bill. See Exhibit B. And I want compensation of this much money. See Exhibit C. Why can't you just do that? Say A, B, C. I'm done. Give him a notice.
Right.
Why do you got to do a Praecipe? So that's just a way. It's a fancy way of like summoning a defendant to tell him why you should or should not do something to him, or why he should have to compensate. I said, dude, and I know what it means, but can you just back off a little bit on these people? So it's so funny. The guy Brad, who was in jail, he's seen how I explained it to the guy, and I know the video, so I started laughing. I said, yeah, that was a classic. Well, see, but you guys didn't get the joke. If you guys listened to the show last week, he says, oh, I love the way you said, well, when a clerk has a Praecipe box, then you let me know. But until then, can you just say, I'd like to place a notice with the court, and I'd like you to summons the defendant to appear and explain why he should or should not have to appear. Let him demur, let him answer, let him do what he wishes to do. Why do you got to outguess this stuff?
Yeah,
I said, because judges don't have to be lawyers.
Karl, don't clerks have Praecipe boxes in Virginia?
Oh, yeah, they got Praecipe Day here. Yeah, that's what we do
I thought.
Here. Yeah, we meet up about a week or two before the actual trial, and it's a preliminary hearing, and it's called the Praecipe Day. All we do is we sit in the judge's chambers,